shoe.
You don't want them to look like two strips. You really want to make sure that is nice and buffed out. So this is like a base contour. I like my eyes to look contoured too. This is like a very basic.
Danny, get out.
I'm going to take the caramel and toffee shade. I'm just going to sweep this back and forth into the crease. Using the same bronzer shade that you use on your face on your eyes is going to bring a lot of balance to your face. And then to bring it out a little bit, just so it gives you more of like a lifting kind of look. I just like to bring everything into the crease. I'm also going to take the same shade and just drag it down on the lower lash line. You don't want your brightener to look super bright all the way up to the rim. You want to add in that natural depth on the lower lash line. So I just go in with whatever I have left and sweep it back and forth. So now your face has some warmth going on. You can stop there, but if you want to add a little bit more structure, you can contour your face. And to contour, you want to use a different shade that doesn't have as much red and orange in it. So you want to use something that is a little bit deeper and more cool tone. I'm going to use Mocha. It's a soft looking.
You sneeze my nose, Danny. You know you can't do that. No sneezing in my nose.